Hey guys, welcome to the Massman YouTube channel. We are going to continue with our question answering series in the software development. And today's question is, what is the stack in technology in developer language? So you might be hearing that, yes, I learned this technology stack. This technology stack is in the boom. This stack is in the boom, and this stack is really getting down in the current era. So let's keep straightforward. What is technology stack, or what is stack in the software development field? It's not the programming stack which works on the uh, first come last out principle. So it's a technology stack. So why it is calling a technology stack, and what is actually that we will describe with these 4 lines only. Okay, so the technology stack is a combination of programming language, frameworks, and tools that developers use to build a web or mobile app. So, what is technology stack? It's a combination. Okay, combination of what? A programming language, a framework, a tool that developer use to build a web or mobile app. So let me take one example. So let's take an example of Visual Studio. Visual Studio 2015, from the scratch to 15 and the 17, 19. You can take it. I'll take a Visual Studio 15. So what Visual Studio 15 contain? It contain languages, set of languages. So we'll take a C sharp language, and uh, what is Visual Studio? It's a combination of the language, C sharp, VC++, VB.NET, and lots of language. So C sharp, it's a collection of the programming language, a framework. So you might be know that the Visual Studio 2015 provided support of framework 4.6.7 or something like that. So framework, what is a framework? Framework is nothing but a compile library available which you can directly use in your projects. So this is what the form a .NET framework, right? This is also, hope you clear with the idea of the framework. So combination of programming language like C, of combination of framework like 4.6.7 of the Visual Studio .NET framework. It's a .NET framework, remember that. And tools that developer used to build a web or mobile app. So what is tool actually? A tool is actually an IDE, integrated development environment. So IDE, in our example, Visual Studio itself as a tool to develop any web application or mobile application. Hope I'm clear with that act. So Visual Studio .NET, it's itself a technology stack, and uh, as we saw in our video, Mer and Man video, that's also on technology stack. So where we have a combination of MongoDB with Express, with addition to the React and yes, Node.js. So this is also a technology stack, a MongoDB, then again Express, then AngularJS, which is a framework, and then again a Node.js, so which is a Java runtime library environment, I can say JRE, and AngularJS is nothing but a front-end framework to develop a front-end UI or user experience, and Express and MongoDB is connected as a database in this case. So this is also a technology stack. Python, Django, another technology stack. So the two main component of any app are the client side front end and the server side back end. So any app or any web application having two main components, a server side and client side. Database has a server side, a front end, a browser is your client side where JavaScript usually we use. And yeah, Each layer of the application is built atop on the above or below. So each layer of the application is built atop the one below. So everything is it's like a constructing a building. You form a base, you form then floor and again floor, and then we forms a room one above and one above. So this is the same, like that's why creating stack, that's why it's creating a stack. So you have an IDE integrated a languages, IDE integrated a framework integrated a languages, and there is one backend database. So it's already depending on each other. So IDE itself contain a framework of a framework having a collection of language. So at the base you have let's it just example the sequence might be changed as your thought process to looking at the framework as a basic or ID. How you it's basically the approach you use to build your software, code first or mm, database first approach. There are lots of approach over there. So each and every is built on the top of the below one. So that's why it's an stack. You can imagine, I guess. So yes, this is what nothing but the technology stack. Yeah, I think I wrote a wrong spelling of technology. Hope you know what is typo concept. Or should I explain what is typo? Okay, I will do it in next video. Just let me know in comment if you want to know about typo, what is typo. Thanks for watching video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.